This video will show you how to make multi-file cases. There are several reasons why cases might contain more than one file. In this example, we are doing a longitudinal study in which we conducted multiple interviews over time. We have two folders in our files area. One folder is for the first interview and one for the second. Imagine we have just imported Barbara's second interview, but Barbara already has a case with her first interview in it. We now wish to add Barbara's second interview to her case. To do this, I right-click on Barbara's second interview and select Code Whole Document. I'm asked to confirm that I wish to code the entire document. I can now browse to Barbara's case and code her interview to that case by selecting Code Selection to Barbara at the bottom of the dialog box. Barbara's case now contains two files, but she is a single case, one participant with multiple pieces of data. You cannot duplicate a file in your cases. If you coded Barbara's second interview to her case twice, it would still only appear once in her case.